Did you know that you can make salty, crispy, addictive chips out of any starchy root vegetable? You can. And today I'm making chips out of beets, particularly these striped, gorgeous Chioggia beets that I grew in my garden. Now the key is to evenly slice them paper thin. And look, I'm sorry to tell you this, but using a mandoline really is going to be the best way. Maybe the only way, if I'm being honest. Just be smarter than me and use a cut-proof glove, okay? I'm obsessed with this oven fry method, which usually means roasting at a super high temperature in order to mimic that fried texture. But here it's actually kind of the opposite. Since beets are super high in sugar, and since we're slicing them extra thin to make chips, they cook a lot faster. So instead, I like to cook them low and slow so we get a nice crispy texture without them burning. Now you can season them simply with just salt and they make a really great snack, but you can also use just about any other type of seasoning you want. I love using fresh herbs like thyme and rosemary. They work especially well with the earthy flavor of beets, and that's the route that I'm gonna take today. But you can't go wrong whichever way you choose.